Line down 5 meters, hold for alignment check.
Roger that, holding steady at 5 meters.
Look at the stress fractures here on the keel. We need to stabilize this section immediately.
Noted. The corrosion is worse than the initial scan suggested.
Corrosion levels noted on the schematic. We need immediate stabilization on Sector 4. Confirm receipt.
The structural integrity is severely compromised along this line.
Agreed. The pitting is extensive. We'll tag this as critical.
Easy now, mind the edges. That wood is fragile. There.
We've got the weight, boss.
Moving through the passage now.
The structural integrity around the stern is much worse than the blueprints suggest.
Agreed. We'll need significant plating here.
Keep the tension even. We are clear of the hole. Bring it over.
The run out is still high on the top reading.
All right, adding 5 thousandths to the forward shim. Check again.
Hollow right here.
Confirmed. Note the location near the patch.
Right here, serial number 1944-LC22.
Got it. 1944 LC22.
Tag secured on the handle.
All right, bring it down slow. Easy, easy. To the left a bit. Looks good. Set it down.
The crack runs deeper here.
I'm getting 22 millimeters at the widest point.
We'll focus on the starboard side hull plating first.
Yeah,
Does the checklist account for the new delivery date?
it does.
We're all set to begin.
Hold it right there. Easy now, easy now. Copy that. Watching the cables.
We'll cut along this line, make sure the X is clear. Up to the seam, understood.
Okay, I've documented the starboard markings.
balance now. Alignment looks good. Okay, let's back off the pressure slowly.
Keep the pressure up on the main line. Roger that. Flushing the starboard side now.
How are the readings now?
Stable. Looks like we have perfect balance.
Okay, that's the final sequence on bolt 12.
Confirmed. Reading 250 foot-pounds.
Documented. Moving to the next bank.
Final reading is good. Log that at 1,500 foot-pounds.
Got it. Alignment verified. Give it a good shake.
Yep, that's not going anywhere.
Looks solid to me. That gauge is secure. Are the cannon plugs labeled correctly?
Affirmative. Port side harness is ready for the continuity test.
Easy now. Watch the starboard side. Clear on this side.
Looks good. Lock it down.
Torque set. How does the seal look?
It's perfect, nice and flush. I'll take the documentation photos now. Go ahead and torque the fasteners. I'll get the documentation shots. Just finished the seals, they're holding tight.
I'd say this restoration is complete. The finish is flawless.
Absolutely. It's ready for the showcase.
After years beneath the waves, we are proud to finally present this fully restored